What's up guys, and welcome to the vlog. I'm busy driving the GT-R, going out for a little spin. Oh fuck, there's an RX7 in front of me. Oh, my acting's useless. Gareth's driving my RX7. We're on the way to parking lot. Russell's meeting us. We're going to be doing some photos, some videos, and might just be having a little run against Russell tonight. Don't know, but we're going to put the camera down. This car's a little bit sketchy at the moment. Sounds so good though. Here's our usual spot. Here comes our support vehicle. Where's the tunes, bro?
Knuckleheads out there, cold shooting some who? A crowd pulls up, who can it be? A fresh El Camino rolling key.
I can hear a Bridgeport, I can't see it. Bap, 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 bap. Has to be coming from there. Or there. There it is. Look at this. RX7, R32 GT-R, RX7, and a Ranger.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know racing. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor. Turn that kitty pot into a lion's roar.
What's the fucking chances? Blew my intercooler pipe off again. God damn it. Trying to coast back home. I got stupid map sensors, so the car doesn't know what it's doing. Overfueling. It's going to foul my plugs once again. Luckily it's mostly downhill from here. Shit.
Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Red on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming.
Make it.